Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Tyler.
And I'm David. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's episode is called Real English Conversation at the Bus Stop.
Yes, today we will practice simple English you can use when you are waiting for a bus.
You will hear real-life phrases, easy questions, and short answers.
And don't forget, subscribe and practice with us every week.
All right, let's start learning. David, imagine we are at a bus stop.
Okay, I'm waiting for the bus, and maybe I'm a little bored.
Same. So let's start with a simple question. Is this the bus stop for Route 10?
Great question, Tyler. This means you are asking if the bus stops here.
Let's say it together. Is this the bus stop for Route 10?
Now repeat after me. Is this the bus stop for Route 10?
Nice job.
Now let's answer, yes, it is. Or, no, it isn't.
Simple and clear.
Repeat after me. Yes, it is. No, it isn't.
Now, another useful question we can try. When does the bus arrive?
Very important. We use this to ask about time.
Let's say it slowly. When does the bus arrive?
Good job practicing that phrase.
Let's make a mini conversation.
Okay.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for Route 10?
Yes, it is.
Great. When does the bus arrive?
It arrives at 10 a.m.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat after us. Excuse me,
Is this the bus stop for Route 10?
when does the bus arrive?
It arrives at 10 a.m.
Let's learn another phrase. The bus is late.
Oh no, that happens a lot.
Yes, David. Late means not on time.
Repeat after me. The bus is late. And one more. The bus is coming.
That's exciting.
Repeat after me. The bus is coming.
Let's try one more mini conversation.
Let's do it.
Is the bus late?
Yes, the bus is late.
Oh, okay.
Wait, the bus is coming.
Finally.
Now your turn. Repeat after me.
Is the bus late?
Yes, the bus is late.
The bus is coming.
You're doing great.
Yes, these are real English phrases you can use every day.
You're already improving.
Let's review today's key phrases.
Is this the bus stop for Route 10?
When does the bus arrive?
Yes, it is. Or, no, it isn't.
The bus is late.
The bus is coming.
Amazing work today.
Keep practicing and speaking out loud. You're doing a great job.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, do you take the bus often?
We'd love to hear from you.
See you next time.